Good evening, goeienaand, dumelang bagotsi. So, with what are we busy? So, as you guys knew, we bought an iPhone 12 Pro for 4,050 Rand, which is a great deal. But the buyer said the speaker is a little bit messed up. So I'm going to send it back. The guy from Cash Crusaders Welcome was very, very nice to me. So he said he's maybe going to give me another iPhone 12 Pro if he's got one in stock, or he's going to give me a refund. So I'm going to see what he says, but I'm going to ship it out tomorrow. And then for now, it's pretty much, it's just as if we didn't buy it. So I'm going to keep you guys updated. That's just the thing. In business, there's going to be some highs, some lows, some ups, some downs, but it never gets us down. We just keep going, we're flying. So great news. Our auction is coming up again next week. I'm not sure what what is going to be on the auction, but I'm hoping for some proper stuff again so we can make some good money. But I'm still actively searching for things to buy on Cash Converters and Marketplace. And like today I was at an auction, Cash Crusaders auction. But then it was a bunch of broken stuff. So there's a lot of things that a lot of people can buy, but I was just like, this is not the place to spend my energy on. So because I do this journey is part-time. I'm enjoying it. I'm loving it. I wish I could spend some more time on it, but I've got a full-time job as well. So I was very, very busy with that. So if I had more time, if there's people that has got more time, it's great to go stand at an auction, see what I can do, see what they can do, what they can buy, and take it from there. So yes, I'll keep you guys posted about the iPhone, but for now, we are going to send it back, and hopefully, I think his name is Jock. Jock, if you see this, give us another iPhone for the journey, please. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm all for the EV movement of electric vehicles. Let me know what you think about the electrics. The boom boom from a V8 is very nice, but you don't go far these days, and then you've got to put some fuel in there. So let me know in the comments what's happening with the V8s versus the EVs. The petrol heads versus the battery heads. Speak to me. Have a lovely evening and a great weekend. Bye-bye.